Hey, with this video, I want to confuse you a little bit. I always tell people don't print things anymore. You know, they're outdated the day after you print them. You can't update them. And at the end of the year, how many pieces of literature are sitting in salesmen's trunks that has to be thrown away? Now, I've said that, but now there's a time when maybe you should go back to print. And here's an excellent example. This is from Gripset, uh, an Australian waterproofing manufacturer. And see here where it says Gripset Waterproof Magazine. And then we take a look at some of the titles, like just like you're looking at a magazine in an airport newsstand. They're looking at what are the subjects are in here that would be interesting. And so when you get inside, you found nicely laid out and good articles with information that will help you be a more successful waterproofing contractor, for example. Now, they also, include product information. So it's a way to deliver the catalog that's going to get more likely opened and read and then kept. So this is this great use of how to do print. And of course, you could have this, you could download it or we'll mail you a copy. But I think Gripset did a great thing. I've seen a couple of other companies following along in the same idea of creating a magazine that both has product information as well as interesting articles. So I think this is a great use of print that maybe you should consider for your products. Until next time, take care.